Everyone's gonna tell you that speed of delivery is key. Everyone's gonna say that. And you can play a game. You can say, okay, let's accelerate delivery. And then everyone will be happy in the short term, you're delivering more. But if you play the long-term game, you need to choose what you are trying to optimize. What are you trying to create? What is work with stakeholders is not managing stakeholders. It is about reaching alignment. Often stakeholders treat product teams as service providers, like they expect you to deliver on their wants, and then between quotes, you miss the customer needs altogether because nobody took that into account. What I like is the following: we play the same game. Let's build partnership. It's not rivalry. We are not enemies from stakeholders. In reality, product people need stakeholders to create value together. First, let's get together, clarify what value is, what are the best opportunities right now, and then decide why are we investing into that and align how we make it happen. And we need to make the hard conversations happen in this case here, because often we just prioritize in parallel. So we try executing more at the same time at the cost of delivering less in the long term. So let's serialize, saying we get this done and then we move to the next and to the next and to the next. It's hard conversation, but that reaches alignment.